Most people sleep every night, but very few realize that sleeping the wrong way can silently damage the brain. New research from neuroscience experts in the USA and Europe shows that poor sleep position and poor sleep quality can increase toxins in your brain, weaken memory, and even accelerate aging. Today, I'll show you the 6 hidden effects of sleeping wrong and what you can do to protect your brain starting tonight. Let's begin. Number 1. Increased brain toxins, glymphatic failure. Your brain cleans itself at night through the glymphatic system, but sleeping in the wrong position, especially on your back, slows this cleaning process. This causes toxins like beta-amyloid to build up, which scientists link to memory loss and early dementia. Number 2. Reduced oxygen to the brain. Bad sleep posture bends your neck or collapses your airways. This reduces oxygen flow, making your brain cells function slower. Low oxygen at night leads to headaches, confusion, and morning fatigue. Number 3. Increased stress hormones. When your sleep is disturbed, your brain produces more cortisol, the stress hormone. High nighttime cortisol damages neurons and increases anxiety, very common in both USA and Europe adults. Number 4. Memory loss and poor learning. During deep sleep, your brain organizes and stores memories. But sleeping incorrectly reduces deep sleep stages, causing forgetfulness, poor focus, and slow learning. If you feel mentally foggy, this might be the reason. Number 5. Faster brain aging. Research shows that lack of proper sleep increases inflammation in the brain. Over time, this accelerates brain aging and weakens cognitive functions. Number 6. Increased risk of anxiety and depression. Wrong sleep posture disrupts REM sleep, the stage responsible for emotional balance. Without proper REM sleep, your brain becomes more sensitive to stress, leading to mood swings and anxiety. Best sleeping position for a healthy brain. Side sleeping left side is best. Keeps your airways open, improves brain detox, reduces snoring, helps memory and cognitive function. Avoid sleeping on your back, slows brain detox. Sleeping on your stomach twists spine and reduces oxygen. Nighttime habits that protect your brain. Avoid phone screens 1 hour before sleep. Keep bedroom cool and dark. Maintain a fixed sleep routine. Magnesium-rich foods at dinner. No heavy meals at night. Reduce caffeine after 2 p.m. For more important health advice like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel.